In this e-learning pack, we will discuss OneSource, the publication portal used by everyone in ESB networks, and the collaboration portal used by people involved in the development and maintenance of documents. We will look at your role as interest group members, and we will show how you carry out your responsibilities and tasks on the OneSource collaboration portal. The main objectives of OneSource are that everyone in ESB networks has easy access to the documents we need to work safely, both in the office and on site, that these documents are developed and maintained to a high standard, and that they are used and complied with by everyone. Users of documents will access their documents on the OneSource publication portal. People involved in the development and maintenance of documents will carry out their work on the collaboration portal. The development and maintenance of documents is governed by the procedure for writing, publishing and embedding of ESB Networks controlled documents, or rules for rules. This ensures that documents are developed only where they're needed, that they're written to the OneSource standard that is clear, concise, with information easy to find. The documents are reviewed by interest groups of technical experts to ensure that they're technically correct and fit for purpose, by a risk and compliance manager to ensure they comply with rules for rules, and by the Safety Programme Implementation Group, or SPIG, to ensure that they can reasonably be implemented and are fit for purpose, before they are improved and embedded through information, briefing and training, and they're complied with. The OneSource collaboration portal is designed to support those involved in this process to comply with this procedure. Let's look at the role of the interest group in the document development process. As a member of the interest group, you review and provide feedback on documents that are being developed to ensure they are technically correct and confirm if the documents are fit for purpose. So what are you checking for? You're checking to ensure the document is technically correct, understandable, that it does not conflict with any other document you know of, that instructions are clear and specific. For example, that we do not use terms like when you've reached the appropriate level, or rather specify what the level is. As a member of the interest group, you are not checking for typos, grammar, colour coding, or style. So how does OneSource help you with this task? In OneSource, workflows progress documents through each of the document lifecycle stages in compliance with rules for rules, including the review of documents by interest group members. A workflow is a pre-programmed sequence of tasks which streamline and automate a part of a business procedure. So how do they do that? Whenever you need to review a document, you will receive an email task which has been assigned to you as a member of the interest group for that document. The email will tell you what you need to do. You review the document. You update feedback on the document as comments. The document developer reviews your feedback and responds to it. The document developer may arrange to meet you to discuss your feedback and his or her responses to it. You confirm that the document is fit for purpose and update your task as completed on OneSource. The document then progresses to the next stage of the review. Please note that you have up to 2 weeks to review and provide feedback on a document. If you do not complete your task within the 2-week period, the document progresses to the next stage without your input. So let's see how the workflows in OneSource guide you through the review process. We will look at a procedure document. While the stages differ slightly for some other document types, you will not need to be concerned about this, as the OneSource workflows will bring each document type through its specific stages. You will receive a workflow email from SharePoint 2013.noreply@esb.ie advising you that a OneSource task has been assigned to you. Open the email and you will see details of the task assigned to you, as you can see on the screen here. Click on the task to open it. Again, you see details of the task you need to complete. To access the document, right-click on the document set and open it in a new tab. The document set is a folder that contains a group of related documents. In this case, all the documents related to the document being developed and reviewed by you. You open the source file, that is the document with the shortest name, its document number. You read the document and update any feedback you have using comments. To update a comment, click on Review, then click on New Comment, then update the comment. When you are finished, save and close the document. Go back to the task and click on OK to confirm you've completed the task. The document developer will then review your comments, decide whether to accept them and update this on the comment. He or she will then contact you or perhaps call you to a meeting to discuss your feedback and his or her responses to it and agree on an outcome of your feedback. The comments will then be closed and the document saved. In the rare occasions where you cannot reach an agreement with the document developer in relation to your feedback, your comment is left open as a formal objection, and this is passed to the Safety Programme Implementation Group, or SPIG, to resolve. Once the interest group review stage is complete, the document moves to the next stage. At that point, your task as an interest group member is complete. So what happens next? In the case of procedures, the documents are first reviewed by the Risk and Compliance Manager for compliance with rules for rules, then by the SPIG for reasonableness of implementation and fitness for purpose, and finally the document is open for general consultation when all potential users of the documents can review and provide feedback on it. After the review stage, the document is approved for use and published. Thank you for your work as an interest group member. Your work helps us develop documents that are technically correct and keep you and your colleagues safe.